According to Dr. Arley, what is the difference between vitamins, minerals, and even trace minerals? Do we need vitamins, minerals, and trace minerals for a more healthy life? Vitamins are compounds that the body needs to build, maintain, and repair itself. Minerals are elements that will support cellular function. There are 13 vitamins. The 13 vitamins are divided into two groups, namely, fat-soluble vitamins and water-soluble vitamins. The fat-soluble vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. The water-soluble vitamins are vitamin C, vitamin B1 or thiamine, vitamin B2 or riboflavin, vitamin B3 or niacin, vitamin B5 or pantothenic acid, vitamin B6 or pyridoxine, vitamin B7 or biotin, vitamin B9 or folate, and vitamin B12 or cobalamin. These vitamins would support body collagen production, enzyme activity, body homeostasis, digestion, antioxidation, and blood sugar control. Vitamins are organic and minerals are inorganic. Organics are carbon-based. The minerals are elements as presented in the periodic table. And the mineral elements are divided into major and trace elements according to their molecular size. Examples of the large minerals are calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, potassium, and chloride. Examples of the trace minerals are iron, zinc, iodine, selenium, copper, manganese, fluoride, chromium, and molybdenum. There are a total of 72 mineral and trace minerals. The recommended daily allowance, or RDA, is the amount of a substance that is recommended to be taken by a 70 kg male adult per day. The RDA is the minimum amount needed to prevent vitamin or mineral deficiency. Remember that malnutrition can be overnutrition or undernutrition. All of these nutrients are directed by the DNA through homeostasis. They will all work synergistically to promote wellness and health. Having a healthy lifestyle, with the proper use of functional foods, like the vitamins, minerals, and trace minerals, is our formula to better health. Remember that health is needed for us to enjoy the success and wealth we would have. Health is wealth. Prevention is always better or preferred than getting the best cure. Our strategy is to support our health starting from the DNA level. Nucleotide supplementation, plus the essential amino acids and peptides or oligopeptides, will support DNA health. Get in touch with the person who shared you this video to get more information. Disclaimer: health statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This information is for educational purposes alone. There is no attempt to diagnose, treat, or cure. Always consult our physician for any medical condition.